Okay guys, in this video we are going to be making some junk journal background pages. All right, junk journals are crazy popular. The printables on Etsy, you can just make these and pop them up in your shop, super easy. Or you can take these backgrounds and turn them into a bunch of other things. You could do tumbler wraps, you could do mug wraps, add some text, maybe a couple more images to the background, and you could do so much with them. So anyhow, we're going to just make a few of them today. I put together a list of about 144 prompts for you. I'm going to leave the link where you guys can grab those below. It's 12 different color combinations using 12 different patterns on the pages. So you can get, basically you can get 12 different junk journal sets out of the prompts that I have put together for you. Okay. Now I have these prompts ready for MidJourney and Kittl. All right. This is my MidJourney. Your MidJourney may look like this. If it does, it doesn't matter. It's the same thing. Okay. But first, I'm going to take this prompt here. Vintage junk journal background, olive green colored handmade paper, faded rustic shabby with very delicate warm sand faded floral prints. Floral prints pattern, barely visible, antique chic. Okay, that is the prompt. And in MidJourney, we are going to use raw style and version 5.2 because that is what gives us the better results. Okay, in Kittl, we're going to come over here. We are going to put that prompt in here, and we are going to select clip art style, detailed drawing, and we're going to hit generate. Okay, and let's see what we come up with. In fact, let me do it in this MidJourney too for you. Imagine prompt v 5.2 and alright, yes, I did that wrong. I know, because I never used this version of MidJourney, so we're not going to. I'm just going to go over here. Alright, what do we got here? And this is what we generated in MidJourney. This is really cute. That's a really nice any of these would make a really nice junk journal background. And then let's see what Kittl put together for us. Let me zoom in here on this one. That one's really nice too. You can make it larger, so that is really nice. Okay, and let's grab something else from a different color. Let's do warm coral and pale gold. That's our different another color combination. This one is doing warm coral, pale gold, and it's stamps and postmarks. Okay, so once again, select all, paste, and that is going to generate something for us there. And we're going to go back over here to MidJourney and do the same thing. This is actually using V6, which is the newest model of MidJourney, and it's coming out very nice. I will run this same prompt again using raw style and version 5.2. Let me put this in here and edit. Let's go raw 5.2 and let's see what kind of difference this makes for us. Okay, these are, I'm not a real fan of this one. I love all the accents, but I think the color is just too bold on that one. This one is nice. And then let's rerun this one in version 5 because that gave us some books. And this is Kittl's. Again, I'm going to rerun that because I'm just not real happy with that one. And I'm not happy with any of these so far. So I'm thinking I'm going to stick with the version 6. I thought that V2 was the way to go, but Looks like V6 is giving me better output, and you can tinker with that. You can try different versions of MidJourney to see which one gives you the best output. Okay, now this is much nicer, this second try with the coral and pale gold. I like this one a lot. Let me move that over here, move that in here so I can zoom in and you can see that better. That's a very nice junk journal background. And now, here we go. These are really nice over here. Your postmarks. Yes, that is really nice. The raw style in V6 works very nicely. All right, let's go grab one more. Let's do this one, burnt sienna and blue. Alright, let's go in here, select all. This one we're doing doily patterns, which should be very pretty. So let's try this. Zoom out. Let's move that over here so that when this one generates, we can pop it in the middle and zoom in. Now, like I said, I put together a list of 144 different prompts for you. Let me bring it up here in Canva. So you can see this, and you'll be able to just copy and paste. We've got vintage sepia, soft lavender, lavender and sage, rose and sage, pale peach and dusty blue, creamy ivory and blush pink, and each one of those has a particular pattern. So you can do, I put them together in order of colors. So you can do 12 different bundles of 12 different patterns in the same color scheme. Okay, that is really pretty. This one here, and let's see what MidJourney came up with. These are really nice too. I actually like every one of these. So anyway, you can make these junk journal bundles and pop them up in your Etsy shop, and they will be flying out of your store. Or like I said, you can add a few more images to them and you can turn them into other digital products like tumbler wraps, mug wraps, whatever, you know, whatever your imagination comes up with. And if you are stuck for ideas of what to make, stop by ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you ideas on what you can make, and it will give you ideas. All right, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll leave a link for that PDF with the 144 different prompts to make these junk journal papers down below as well. So I will see you next time, and I hope you guys found this helpful.